Hello everyone, this is Rohit Shankamane and we have started Bioleaching lecture series. Now this is our lecture first where we are going to understand the introduction and the types of bioleaching process. Let's see introduction. Leaching process was first time observed in pumps and pipelines installed in mine pits containing acid water. Bioleaching is the process by which metals are dissolved or separated from ore-bearing rocks using microorganisms. Now see, the bioleaching is the process where the metals are separated from the ore-bearing rocks using microorganisms. Presently, certain metals from sulfide ores and other ores are extracted by employing only leaching method. Extraction of metals from low-grade ores by employing microorganisms is called as a bioleaching process. Now, bioleaching is the process where the extraction of the pure metals is carried out from the low-grade ores. Large quantities of low-grade ores are produced during the separation of higher-grade ores and are generally discarded in waste heaps. Metals from such ores cannot economically be processed with chemical methods because chemical methods are so much costly as far as biological methods are concerned. There are large quantities of such low-grade ores, especially copper ores, which can be processed profitably by bioleaching. Now, see, if you wanna process or if you wanna do the bioleaching process for the copper ores, then if you are going to perform that with the chemical method, this method will be very costly one for the copper ore. That's what everyone is like using biological method. Copper and uranium are presently produced commercially by employing bioleaching process. Now these are the two examples that copper and uranium bioleaching is presently carried out by the microorganisms. However, problems may creep in when a large-scale bioleaching process of waste dump is improperly managed because seepage of leach fluids containing low pH and metals into natural water supplies and groundwater causing metal pollution. Now see, after bioleaching process or after leaching process, whatever waste water is there, that water without processing, if you are going to supply, if you are going to transfer in a natural water, then there they will create the water pollution and it will be harmful for the water fauna. That's what we have to supply the wastewater, we have to transfer the wastewater with treatment. Now let's see the types. Now first type is the slope leaching, where the fine ore is kept in large slope shaped dump. During slope leaching, a water solution made of inoculum is continuously spread over the ore. After that, the leach liquor, that is remaining liquid, is gathered at the bottom, processed for supplemental metal recovery. Now see, this is the first method known as slope leaching, where the all low grade ore is kept here or at the top, and on that the bacterial culture or the thiobacillus culture is spread over there. And due to that, what happened, due to slope, all material will come down, and whatever the material is gathered, that is this one, that will be further processed for the recovery. That is, next is heap leaching. Here the ore is dumped into large heaps called as leach heaps. Water containing inoculums of thiobacillus is continuously sprinkled over the ore. Water is collected from the bottom and used to extract metal and generate bacteria in an oxidation pond. Now here, heap leaching, whatever the low grade ores are there, on that the thiobacillus culture is spread over there and with containing water, and whatever the impure form of metals are, that will come down with the water, and that water is collected and further processed for the recovery. Next one, in situ leaching. The ore remains in its natural state while the leaching process takes place. Water that contains thiobacillus is pushed through drilled up passageways within the ore. The leach fluid is then stored until it is time for metal recovery. Now in this in situ leaching, the whatever the sprinklers are there, that are drilled passageways within the ore, and in that drilled passageways the bacterial culture, thiobacillus culture, is pushed off with the water, and after that, because of that, they will, whatever the pure metals are there, that will be purified from that. So these are the three types of bioleaching where we can purify the metals from the low grade ores. Thanks a lot.